and welcome to.
Why are the curtains blue?
Can you do it once more?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
forgot the name
Yeah.
only.
Hello.
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 And welcome back.
To Why are the curtains blue?
Blue.
Today we are discussing not this giggly episode
Yeah,
vibe.
it's not giggly. It's Kapoor and Sons.
Miss you.
Broken-hearted,
Broken-hearted.
So today we're talking about Kapoor and Sons, which of course by the name suggests is a family film about a lot of things that families face, including death, relationship, marital problems, brother-sibling rivalry. It's really subtly done. It's in a beautiful way set up a whole family. It literally looks like Shakun Batra has taken videos out of his own family. I don't know what his family is like, but he's taken videos out of like my family living room sometimes, you know. जब रजत कपूर के भाई आते हैं, उनका पूरा परिवार आता है, जैसे वो लोग मिलजुलते हैं, जैसे बात कर रहे हैं, it's so natural.
It's very
like you can't
natural.
fault it. Of course, it has a lot to do with the themes of death, like I said, which kind of makes it a little darker, but somehow it remains buoyant because there's always some fun energy कि कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, बहुत hectic भी हो रहा है. You know, people are making jokes also when other people are fighting. That's such a family thing to do, and this film showcases it really nicely.
All in all, आपको उन्होंने थिएटर में बुलाया है कि आप रो दें, अपने throwback Sundays हो जाएं where you're thinking about all the fights you've had with your family. ऐसा एक बार नहीं हुआ है कि मैंने ये फिल्म देखी है और मैं रोई नहीं हूँ. Not once, and I've watched this film 4 times. I think you're right. It is about family and conflict. It is a recipe to remind you of every conflict you have ever had with your family.
पर मुझे पूछना था तुम कब रोई हो? कौन से पॉइंट्स है इस फिल्म में जब तुम रोई हो?
Oh, पहले तो melting point, like the biggest meltdown I have had in the film is when Dadu calls and he's like मेरी एक दरख्वास्त है कि तुम मुझे वो दे दो जो मेरे पास नहीं है वक्त. And I was just like, I'm going to cry.
Oh my God.
It's too sad. Like old people asking for time from young people is like.
Especially because as you get to know Rishi Kapoor's character, he's so joyous and like frivolous
Fun.
also. बहुत मतलब मजा कर रहे हैं, दोस्त भी है उनके. वो
He's a
ऐसा
cool
नहीं है
guy.
कि he has a community and but all he wants is to spend time with his family, with
Yeah.
his grandkids who are not talking to each other.
He's not a regular Dadu. He's a cool Dadu. He's really
too cool,
cute.
perhaps.
Yeah.
No, like chill. Dadu.
That's also true. We did say ना हम wild couple हुआ करते थे. Wild couple.
Wild couple, उन्हें marijuana. He wants to smoke up.
He is really the best.
Porn भी देख रहे थे ना? It's just like
मंदाकिनी का
उनका
cutout आ
cutout
गया
नहीं
है
रहा है.
भाई.
So that's what I'm saying. It is a sad film, and Rishi Kapoor and the granddad adds that, but he also adds so much fun to it.
He does.
It's so funny.
He is the most fun in the whole film. And
Yeah.
what the film is synonymous with, मेरे हिसाब से it's like it means family, and I don't think, and Kapoor and Sons were an interesting name also. Like you see it in jewelry shops and like mithai shops.
Yeah.
And it's like Singh and Sons, Agarwal and Sons,
Yeah.
and Kapoor and Sons.
Yeah.
So it sounds almost like a family establishment, which a lot of Indian families end up becoming, I feel, because
Yeah.
they're so large.
And since you're bringing that up, Kapoor and Sons, of course, Rishi Kapoor had 2 sons in the film, and then Rajat Kapoor had 2 sons in the film also. But it just makes it like, what about the women? Like, what about Ratna Pathak Shah? You know, where it's like, of course, she's dealing with a lot of trouble because her husband has been cheating on her and their marriage is kind of failing, and she wants to start a business and her husband is against it. But they are having money troubles and everything. It also does add that patriarchal vibe, you know, that she is in a position of disadvantage.
Yeah, that she's not even mentioned in the context of things, technically.
Yeah.
She's not part of the...
We like the name, but
we like the names.
still.
I've never, like, but there was this Hindi serial, I don't even remember what, but it had this really unnaturally feminist father in that. I don't remember which Hindi serial this was, but he names his mithai shop that it was based in Agarwal and Sons and Daughter. Because he had some 11 sons and 1 daughter. That was the whole show, that he wanted a daughter. which was very crazy for Indian families because people usually end up having like 9 sons before they have a daughter.
And especially after 11 sons.
Yeah.
He wanted
Like,
one more
relax.
child is like,
Yeah.
he really wanted a
He
daughter.
really did. He really did. Like, what do you think about a family aspect was most poignant?
उसी सीन के बारे में बात करते हैं जो सबसे पॉपुलर सीन है. Then I can tell you जो प्लम्बर वाला सीन है.
Let's get into that plumber scene.
The plumber scene in Kapoor and Sons, if you watched Kapoor and Sons, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Taking something from your house and putting it on screen where it's like कुछ और हो रहा है. We are not even going to talk about a problem right now. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग एक रूम में जाके हम बात करेंगे एक प्रॉब्लम के बारे में. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
प्लम्बर आया, वो काम कर रहा है.
Bro, that plumbers lives
So
in
good.
my heart.
So good. What did he say?
बुरे वक्त में वापस
आप
आऊं क्या
जो
पैसे
भी-
लेने?
आप जो भी समझे.
इस बुरे
ठीक
वक्त
है.
में आप जो भी पैसे देना चाहे.
अच्छा प्लम्बर को भी बताना है और फिर डैड और मॉम की लड़ाई भी चल रही है. फिर राहुल बड़ा बनने का कोशिश कर रहा है. कोई अर्जुन की सुन नहीं रहा है. अर्जुन छोटा भाई है. आई डोंट हैव अ सिबलिंग बट आई एम श्योर younger siblings might feel that way, you know.
Yeah, we feel ignored and then we are like हमें adult की तरह क्यों नहीं treat कर रहे हैं, and then when
हाँ.
people start treating us like adults we're like हमें responsibility नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
So he was very representative of younger sibling.
Yeah.
So was he of older.
Of older.
But in that particular scene also they really were very elder sibling, younger
हाँ,
sibling.
क्योंकि वो बोलता है कि अरे don't
अभी
get
नहीं
into
है
it,
time.
मैं करता हूँ.
हाँ. And he's like मुझे ये feel हुआ.
हाँ, और वो बोलने
मेरे
का
बारे
कोशिश
में.
कर रहा है. पर maybe what do you think if he'd gotten into the fight, would it have been better?
I mean, no, but I don't think the fight would have been better or worse.
In
for him.
any way.
I'm on his team because I would do exactly that, and I know that that's not exactly healthy. But I would just be like, हाँ, but मुझे ऐसा feel हो रहा है.
ट्राई तो करने दो.
हाँ.
कभी करा ही नहीं है ट्राई, तो कैसे पता चलेगा उसका क्या
But
इफेक्ट
think
होगा.
of the beats of that entire plumber scene. It was so perfect.
Yeah.
Right? Like it escalates, and that's how a lot of familial fights start. Because it starts with the dad not fixing the leak. कि तुम
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं करा रहे हो, कितने दिन हो गए, 3 दिन हो गए, 4 दिन हो गए, लीक नहीं खत्म. फिर वो वापस आया प्लम्बर, तो that father is like अरे इसको जाने दो, or he's not standing on top of his head like you are supposed to. So the mother gets frustrated, and then it escalates from there, and it becomes about their marital dynamic. And that's how all family fights
Always,
start.
always.
It starts with why didn't you put the lettuce in my bloody sandwich, to like remember when you gave me abandonment issues.
At that point we didn't know about their history, marriage history. No, we didn't know, but we in that scene started to find out कि इनके बीच में और भी कुछ हुआ है जो
The
अभी
cracks.
दिखा है. The cracks started, and because it was a cracked like sink, you know, or whatever, there was a crack in the plumbing system.
Oh, yeah.
The water is draining out. It's icky. And everyone has been in this position where their bathroom is like flooding, and this fight is happening, and it's just like the gitch pitch of it was just so
Beautiful.
relatable. I don't know, beautiful.
Most anxiety inducing scene for you was what, but
Oh my god, oh, I don't know, it
I feel
feels
like
so
it's the
bad.
same.
Okay.
we'll say it together. 3, 2, 1.
The party.
Picture taking. Party?
No.
Oh. Picture taking.
Picture
for me.
taking for you,
When they
I
kept
understand.
postponing taking the picture,
Yeah.
when Dadu kept begging them to come out and take the fucking
Yeah.
picture, just take it.
just take it, but he had to go and do his other
Nobody
thing.
took that bloody
no one took
picture.
it. For me, is right before that party that happens for Dadu, where Anu auntie also comes, and it's like, okay, she's in the kitchen now, and किस हाँ ये देखो छोटे सिबलिंग ने क्या किया है. उसे बोला था कि मम्मी और अनु को मिलने मत दो, and he had to go to the bloody
पेशाब
washroom.
करने जाना है इनको, अर्जुन जी.
2 मिनट पकड़ लो यार,
How you
क्या
can
है.
do like this? But I would
And it
do
just
that.
like exploded.
And he knew, the elder one knew it would explode.
He would. But then he invited her. So if I had to pick a side between Rahul and Arjun, it's Arjun for sure.
Arjun is younger.
Yeah.
Oh, you pick his side.
I will pick his side. That's what I'm saying. I'm
Oh.
not saying that I agree with, like I love Rahul, but Arjun also messed up in that scene.
He
Yeah.
did. Yeah.
But I would pick Arjun because I feel really bad for him throughout the film, especially at the end when you figure out that his mother has given his hard-earned, like he's written a whole book. It's so hard to write a book. She's given it to her elder son.
Given it. She plagiarized his book.
Plagiarized it.
like there were so many moments where I feel Arjun was just ignored and downtrodden almost. Pehle to it starts only like that when when their joint grandfather has a heart attack. Rahul gets the call.
And Rahul calls.
And Rahul calls Arjun to tell him, and he's like, "अभी मत bother, अच्छा मुझे क्यों नहीं
वो
call?"
पिकअप भी करता है, वो कोई बार या क्लब में है ना, वो वेटर है.
हाँ.
Especially in the cinematography of it, it's so like dark and like lights आ रहे हैं, वो बात कर रहा है, and then he comes to such a shiny place. It feels like he was extracted and put in a place where he's lonely and sad. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो वापस आके बहुत खुश हो गया, but at least there's people to talk to.
But he's constantly ignored. Even
Constantly,
even
yeah.
in the first scene that I was telling you about, where the mother, like Ratna Pathak Shah enters and Rahul's character goes in to meet her. He is anyway walking in front of Arjun. Ratna Pathak Shah approaches Rahul and very intentionally she says, "Rahul, Rahul, Rahul, Arjun, Rahul."
Yeah.
And she just doesn't even say his full name. And she's just yelling Rahul. It's so intentional. I don't know if
is.
she added it or it was already in the script, but
I
that's
think
quite...
I think they tried to make this very, very, very intentional to the point where कभी-कभी थोड़ा on the nose भी लगा.
Like
जैसे हम बात
when
कर
they
रहे थे.
return...
When they return, one's room is a gym and the other's room is completely intact. And ठीक है, होता है. I know कि ये होता है. But मुझे just लग रहा था कि थोड़ा तो माँ बोलेगी कि sorry या space नहीं था, वैसे भी तुम लोग रहते नहीं हो, आते ही नहीं हो घर, तो कुछ तो.
You know what my mother said when this happened to me? When they were like... She was like, तुम मुझसे क्यों पूछ रही हो? मैंने तो like this might be one of the moments where I get my own space because I've been a mother and I've been a wife.
That's true.
Now that you guys have left the house and there's this empty space, let me use it. And I'm like, yeah, it makes sense. You've never had your own
Which is
bedroom.
completely fair, except why is his room completely the same?
हाँ,
Why
no.
is Rahul's room completely?
Agreed.
दोनों का रूम ही बदल दो ना.
Mommy definitely
एक जिम है,
likes him.
दूसरा कुछ आर्ट रूम बना दो, बेकिंग स्टूडियो बना दो.
कुछ तो बना
कुछ
दो.
तो बना दो.
नहीं
तो
that's true. उसके
वो थोड़ा बुरा लगता
सिगरेट्स रखे हुए थे वहाँ पे राहुल के.
वो डब्बा खोल रहा है, वो मेरे ये मेरा वो.
Wow.
अर्जुन का.
He was clearly the favorite.
Yeah.
Even when they're lying on the pillow and talking and they're like, who was the favorite child? He's like, they love us equally. Are you insane?
I must say one thing. See, पहले पता चल जाता है Rahul's more successful, Rahul's the better son, वो सब काम करता है, everyone trusts him. There's one thing that makes Arjun better than Rahul, and it's that Rahul doesn't know how to drive. I don't know why, just having that made me feel less bad for Arjun.
Yeah.
You know, because there's some type of, पता नहीं, it's a very masculine thing to know how to drive, right? And
To
even
drop
for
people.
to drop people, pick them up, वो गाड़ी चलाते हुए देख रहे हैं, अगर कोई छोटा भाई बड़े भाई को गाड़ी चलाना सिखा रहा है,
हाँ.
तो वो काफी मुझे लगता है,
Emasculating.
हाँ. तो फिर एंड में जब पता चलने लगा जो इस फिल्म का पूरा बड़ा सीक्रेट है, जो आने लगा, then I was like, I don't know if that was intentional. How many things were intentional to lead us to, oh, this man is gay, and would those things have happened now? Like, you know, you said the tangerine thing.
There was a scene where, for context, where the tea estate girl that his mother is trying to set him up with, Rahul ki mummy, she's like yapping, and then Rahul goes like, she says that I like your shoes, orange is my favorite color, and then Rahul is like, they're actually tangerine. Now I felt like that was a very particularly sassy, or just the fact that there's knowledge of colors that I don't think straight men really have usually. That was very interesting. Driving ka mujhe actually, I don't know why else, what is the purpose of that whole personality trait? Like, what is the messaging? Why? Because it was mentioned like 4 times.
And एक पूरा सीन भी था ना,
हाँ, वो
उसमें
सिखा
अपना, गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट हो गया उनका,
हाँ.
सिखा रहा है, and then he drives into a tree or something.
And that crashed car is the one that his father also dies in.
So it's connected and it adds a little bit of dynamics to their relationship. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार राहुल द ग्रेट है. राहुल को, टिया को भी राहुल पहले ही राहुल पसंद आया. You know,
हाँ,
that type of thing. It's
that
like
is तो
कोई
crazy.
किसी चीज में भी अर्जुन
अर्जुन
ठीक
नहीं
नहीं
जीतता
है,
है।
कभी नहीं जीतेगा वो.
अर्जुन नहीं जीतता. अर्जुन की प्यार में वो मतलब she liked him, but first she kissed him.
But Rahul's hot and she wanted to kiss him the same day she
The
met him.
same day.
ऐसा नहीं हुआ अर्जुन के साथ.
No, in fact that she took her time. She was like हम दोस्त बनते हैं,
हाँ.
हम पार्टी करते हैं, हम बातें करते हैं, ग्रेवयार्ड पे जाके डेट पे जाते हैं, तब जाके they made love. That also they didn't.
Made love.
They really didn't. They kissed also at the
Maybe,
end. Whatever.
I don't know if they kissed. I don't.
They did right
Did
at the
they?
end in the climax.
हाँ, later जब वो वापस आता है,
हाँ,
पर
not
उनका भी
before.
कुछ हो जाता है.
Because she tells him that she
हाँ,
kissed
the
his
kiss,
brother.
and he feels
Yeah.
horrible about that.
What the hell, dude?
पर मुझे लगता है that अर्जुन का जो प्रॉब्लम था इस फिल्म में वो यही था कि मेरा भाई जो है और मेरा भाई इतना सक्सेसफुल है, मेरा फैमिली भी मेरे भाई से प्यार करता है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड भी मेरे भाई से प्यार करती है. The only reason Rahul was not concerned about it is because he had other fish to fry.
That's true.
He had so many other things, like his identity that he's hiding from the closest people. It makes sense why he would have shifted to London.
Yeah, but so did Arjun, na?
Arjun's problem was his family.
हाँ. Rahul's problem was
Rahul's
not
problem was his non-acceptance of his family,
Yes.
but
Of his
he was-
complete identity.
But he'd never even told them.
I think he was too afraid to not be the perfect son because they constantly pressurized him into that role.
Yeah.
Like मैं भी लंबे स्कर्ट पहनती थी स्कूल में even if I didn't want to because my sister was the rebellious child and I was the good kid.
Yeah.
So I never really did anything. Like I didn't go partying till I was in second year of college. Like for the first time to go to a club. So I was very particular. I was like, मैं नहीं करने वाली मैं. I will be
I'm the
perfect
good
child.
kid,
Yeah.
because मेरे पेरेंट्स हमेशा
हाँ.
कंपेयर करेंगे और मुझे हमेशा
मैं
And वो जो
resolve
रोल
करूंगी.
जब वो रोल सेट हो जाता है ना वो हमेशा
हमेशा रहता है.
Like I didn't have a sibling.
But Alia would be closest to what you would have as a sibling, you think?
I definitely.
Or you have cousins as well.
Cousins, yeah, but even with Alia, I feel like when we used to get together, we were always very naughty. But I think there was a thing कि वो तो मुझसे ज़्यादा naughty है, तो मैं छुप जाती हूँ. जैसे मैं अगर मुझे कुछ लग रहा है कि मैं बोलूँ, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं उससे बोलने दे दूँगी. Which is, I'm sorry, Alia, about that. But she was definitely more naughty. But I stopped myself from being as naughty because I knew I was like, अरे इधर है ना, why is she sitting down properly? Why are you doing this?
Yeah.
ये कभी कभी वो होता है.
तुम दोनों के बीच में you're the elder sibling, I feel, even though you all are the same age.
I am 2 months older.
Okay. Wow.
So, yeah,
Crazy.
Yeah,
My sister's-
crazy. But मुझे भी लगता है, उसे भी लगता है कि मैं elder sibling
It's
हूँ,
there
elder
in your
sibling.
dynamic.
I don't know why.
I don't know either. I feel like you do tend to be more. You are a calmer person, perhaps. So you took on that role of being the elder one because you assume elder ones are calmer.
At least in this film, Kapoor and Sons.
But I am calmer than my sister.
Oh,
no.
you are?
I mean, my sister. No, I'm not.
If
actually.
you are
sorry,
calm,
no.
Karima
sorry.
is calm.
Aap
What
bhi
is
so
a
sorry.
sister like? Khushbu?
Shut up. No. I'm calmer in the sense that I'm more active in resolving or talking or communicating because I'm more vocal than her. She's much more quiet, which I think is very characteristic of Rahul also. Because वो इतना repress करता है, वो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है. And elder siblings and younger siblings, I feel like tend to almost have different sets of parents. First child is an experiment,
Yeah.
so they attempt to be something that they might not be. Younger sibling is always more vocal, I feel.
Yeah.
They express a lot more. So Arjun gets mad, like you were saying, all his problems are limited to that.
Yeah.
This guy has real problems to deal with.
एंड राहुल को पता ही नहीं है कि इसके मन में क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि अर्जुन को पता है कि ही इज प्लेजराइज्ड माय बुक. राहुल को तो पता ही नहीं
राहुल को
है
तो
बट अर्जुन को लगता है कि उसे पता है, तो इतना कैजुअल क्यों बना फिर
हाँ.
रहा है, यू नो. लाइक बट राहुल्स लाइक जस्ट इन द होल फिल्म ही इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू एवर, लाइक ही इज सेइंग दैट अर्जुन तुम छोटे हो, मैं करता हूँ, लेट मी हैंडल इट. बट ही इज नेवर, ही इज नॉट बीइंग बैड टू अर्जुन,
No.
राइट?
I
The parents are being worse to Arjun.
think he's being patronizing sometimes. I think he thinks कि वो capable ही नहीं है कुछ emotional scenes को handle करने के लिए, कि ये fight हो रहा है तो मैं देख लेता हूँ अर्जुन, तुम इसमें involve मत हो. क्यों नहीं हुए? उसके भी parents हैं, उसकी भी fight हो रही है, वो भी अपना point रख रहा है. और even in the last scene तुम ये करो, like just like being
हाँ,
the
हाँ, हाँ.
leader of that
Yeah.
conflict
Yeah.
is also a toxic trait. If you constantly feel the need कि मैं resolve करूँगा ये लड़ाई, then you are possibly the most damaged in the family because you are so used to being the emotional crutch of the family.
Of course, Rahul grew up with having to deal with that more than Arjun did.
Yeah, because he's
So then he
older.
took on that role. He knew
He
how
did.
to talk to his mother and father.
Yeah, but it's
know?
possible to still accommodate.
कैसे फिर ठीक है जाके ट्राई कर लो कैसे इस फाइट में कैसे एक बड़ा भाई छोटे भाई को बोलेगा कि तुम जाओ आग में जाओ जल जाओ कैसे बोलेगा
मैं younger sibling को defend कर रही हूँ तुम elder को.
मैं
How
elder-
naturally this has happened. Like you're like उसको भी सोचो वाला.
पर वो क्यों बोलेगा अपने भाई को इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट
He's
सिचुएशन
a whole adult. He's in his 30s.
But I understand in his 30s the role is set. I'm saying when he's 15, when he was 10, when his parents were fighting, he wouldn't have let his youngest sibling go. So at what age would it turn? Because he will always be older than Arjun.
That's true.
He will always try to protect him.
But Arjun will always not be 15, na?
But then at what age will he be?
Like 20, 21, pick your age. But like once you're an adult,
so
choose a
as per-
birthday for all I
When
care.
you're living with people,
Yeah.
you don't even know how old they've turned. Like you're just living, days are going by.
That's true.
You can't one day be like, okay, 20th birthday, now you're handling the
But
conflict.
I had these conversations
You
with
did.
my sister. I said you still
हाँ.
treat me like I'm much. And our
अर्जुन
age
को
gap
बोलना
है.
चाहिए था.
अर्जुन
अर्जुन को बोलना चाहिए था.
वो तो मर्द है तो उसने कुछ बोला नहीं. Like I think sisters, I think sisters communicate.
Stop it.
Really?
वो तो मर्द है इसलिए उसने कुछ बोला
Repress
नहीं.
करने बैठने सर emotions के बारे में बात नहीं करता मैं.
फाइट और फ्लाइट में फ्लाइट हो गया.
Yeah.
वो लोग भाग गए ये सिचुएशन.
I told Appy, I was like, I think you should start treating me like a person with my own opinions. I will always respect everything you have to say, but you should allow me to have my own experiences and make my own judgment of things. Don't tell me, ki, ye don't do this because this is terrible for you. I have to find out what is terrible for me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I will never learn and I will keep getting into bad situations, which I feel like I did. I was so protected until I was like listening to her. Sorry, I stopped listening. But then I had experiences that were not necessarily great because I didn't listen to her. And honestly, they've taught me a lot more than I have.
But do you think if you
Lost.
had stopped listening to her before, you would have been more prepared for being on your own?
हो सकता है.
हो सकता है.
Bachpan mein, if I had a lot of the experiences, like I didn't date anyone properly till I was like, 19, 20. Which is fine. Like a lot of people start dating then.
But that was because of your sister.
I think so because they were all like, men are trash. And I fucking agree. But like,
But let you
I
find
should've
it out
processed-
on your own.
because I still, at my core, believe men are not trash. Na?
You can say it as much as you want.
I can say it. I don't believe it only. One boy will come and I'll be like, woo!
I know you're trash, but you know what?
You're mine.
You're my trash.
We deviate
Yeah, we deviate a bit.
like our
but
septums.
another thing about Arjun, at least his grandfather loves him. His grandfather's favorite is Arjun. उनका रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
क्योंकि वो भी naughty था ना.
नॉटी है वो, इंसाइट करता है. and मुझे नहीं लगता अर्जुन उतना नॉटी है एक्चुअली. वो है क्या नॉटी?
He's been rolling joints the
हाँ,
whole
तो Joy's
film.
naughtiness, I don't know if I equate it to that.
That's also true. Classic younger sibling.
I think the whole family wanted to make him that. They were pushing him towards that. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, I guess the smoking of joints at that point was a very, very rebellious thing, and it's a little more accepted now, but even now it's very rebellious.
Yeah.
But if you don't count that, what is it in him that is so rebellious or so naughty?
That's also true. He's not like doing meth.
And you trust him, like, to do stuff, no? Like, you as a person, not the family.
I think he's unreliable.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
Because he went to the washroom when Anu auntie came.
No, that's उसको सुसु आ रहा था यार वो चला गया बेचारा.
नहीं, I thought that was very stupid.
It was stupid, but I also get it. But
वो बिस्किट डाल दिया यार उसके ऊपर.
I think he's unreliable as a person. I am like him. I
I
really
know,
believe I'm
but what in the
unreliable.
film makes you think that?
He's a procrastinator because he delayed his book because of his mother stealing his life's
What do you-
work and giving it to his brother. Agreed. But he's still a procrastinator. हो गया, okay, move on now. Let's.
इसके बाद क्या है वो?
हाँ,
5
वो
साल से
अभी-
क्या कर रहा है वो?
He's mixing drinks in a bar. He's not that person.
Yeah.
Not that it's a bad thing. I just mean like he looks like he would do a lot more. He wants to do.
Maybe he's hiding.
He's hiding. He's
Yeah.
an escapist a lot. Like I've spent days and months doing absolutely nothing because I was like, whatever. I'm very unreliable as a person. So I related to those procrastinating things, and I related to him quitting his job.
I thought he was very underconfident.
Who blames him? That
Yeah.
trauma, bro.
It's because of his family, but because he's not an unattractive guy, it's Siddharth Malhotra at the end of the day. But but why would Tia find his brother hot and not him hot? It's because he's underconfident, I feel.
It's the vibe.
It's the vibe.
It is the vibe.
So unsure of going next to her, and
Yeah.
like even in that bathroom when they meet.
Yeah. He believes her prank.
बेचारा मुझे तो बहुत naive, innocent लगा.
Innocent तो था. Miss you, Arjun.
Yeah, Arjun type के character.
Arjun. Let's be traumatized together. But if we were to get into the logistical things, the technical aspects, what did you feel about the setting?
I think it had a lot of deep, dark, sorrowful topics and themes in the film, but because of it being set in a hill station, it being very sunny all the time, the cinematography is done in a way where there's light all the time. It feels like sunshine and warmth, and it feels like a big hug, you
Yeah,
know,
it
like a family. There are bad things in it, but there are people.
You felt that the setting and the cinematography made you feel warm.
It made me feel warm. It did it not to you?
I felt it was completely morose. Even like, I mean, it was pretty. Kunur looked very pretty, and the whole, like the older houses and these like, I love when houses end on the ground floor. You know, but I felt like it only made it more apparent how dysfunctional things were on the inside. जितना खूबसूरत वो बाहर से लग रहा था, अंदर से उतना ही टूटा हुआ था. Which was also, I guess, interesting.
It's interesting.
So I looked up the cinematographer of the film. His name is Ravi K. Chandran, and he also shot My Name is Khan, Dil Chahta Hai, which we have discussed before.
Which is also sunny.
Which is also sunny, and Koi Mil Gaya. Quite a, I mean, he's done
Range,
a lot of other things. He's quite a veteran, but like very interesting to see the other types of it. Like My Name is Khan, I see how the vibe is also similar because even that is kind of morose but looks pretty because it's shot in
Yes,
London.
but I do think that it is grittier, it's grungier, you know. Like this had way more warmth and like a lighter warmth. And My Name is Khan was a little more like there
Blue.
was there was
Cold.
darkness, there was a little cold. Even the warmth in it was like a darker warmth, you know, like gritty. If this film was shot in more cooler tones, more grittier tones, it would have been very sad. When I think of Kapoor and Sons, I honestly don't think of a sad film. When I think of Gehraiya, Shakun Batra's other film, I think of sad. Maybe that's because I relate to these colors as...
You don't think of Kapoor and Sons as sad?
No,
I am sad the whole duration of the film.
I don't. I
I
really...
cry 5-6 times every.
I get sad at parts. Like,
You don't have to cry.
No, but I get sad at parts. But for most of the film, I'm not sad. Even when they are fighting, I'm not sad about it. Like the plumber fight. Sometimes I'm sad only when, like, at the end with the family photo. And then when Anu and that party thing happens, I'm sad. But what else is sad in it?
Everything is sad. It's so bitter. Everyone is
It's bittersweet.
not particularly
No?
sweet also. I mean, yes, sure, but I feel like every dialogue is very, like it comments on people's resentment that they have towards each other. Like each line is kind of heavy, like the catering business when they talk about. Oh,
But that's life, no?
I guess maybe my perspective on life in general is kind of pessimistic.
And mine's optimistic.
Yeah,
मुझे लगता है कपूर एंड सन्स is like real life. And in real life, what I feel about real life is what I feel about the film. That's why I'm not like, I don't find it very sad.
Good for you. You feel good in your real life, I guess.
Okay.
I think it's a perspective thing, actually. I think both of us are. You are always like woo, and I'm a little like but. So maybe it's
Yeah, it's
that.
true. It could
Maybe
be.
it is that, which is why like it works as a bond also.
Yeah.
I think it's interesting how
To see like the same thing from two perspectives.
I think one more thing that really added to the whole experience was the film's music. I don't know if you guys have watched This Is Us. Please watch it if you haven't.
Amazing, amazing show.
Beautiful, and the music is excellent. And background score reminded me of this background score. Siddharth Khosla is the one who did the music for This Is Us, and it's just iconic. Like, we both love it.
If it comes on, I'll start to feel like tears in my eyes.
I think Samiruddin is the person who did the
Yeah.
music score for this. It had a very similar vibe. I don't know what it is about these family drama
Yeah,
pieces that they always sound specific.
especially when they don't use like hyper like bass and hyper like pacing, you know, it's not like some big dramatic thing is
Acoustic.
happening. It's very acoustic, it's very subtle, and there's just a little change in the key of it perhaps. You know, it's not like it's not a Saas Bahu
No,
show.
it's not as dramatic.
Not at all.
The scene is more dramatic than the music.
And the music just keeps coming in, and at one point if the drama doesn't happen and the music comes in, you feel the same emotion as the drama.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It just grips you.
It really does. This table is reminding me. Subtle integration. Me trying to deviate through a topic.
How do you like our new space, by the
Oh
way?
yeah, we have moved it.
We've moved.
It's too good. I mean,
We've
yeah.
tried. I hope you appreciate.
Please comment if you like our new setting.
I like the aesthetics.
I think it's damn cute.
Shout out to Window Seat Films.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Woo.
I don't know if you know we're doing this here. But thank you.
Now we are.
We are.
So the table is reminding me of family, because I think the dinner table in the film in itself is kind of a character where the coming out scene happens at the table, like the conflict of it. The birthday party scene का fight happens at the table. The पहला fight जो वो वापस आते हैं, जो land करने के बाद आपकी family से लड़ाई होती है because you all have all become different people and you have not
अब
understood
कैसे adjust करे वापस आके?
who are exactly are you. आप मतलब like you come back from a place and you're just like I've lost all sense of identity, I don't know who my family is anymore, and then you end up fighting. It's
जैसे
that
मैं
scene.
लंदन में मैं वैसा हूँ और फिर मैं वापस आ गया हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा होना है.
वैसा होना
कैसे
है.
हो सकते हो आप? It's very difficult, even for the parents.
Yeah.
when kids come back.
Yeah.
How do they adjust to now being?
I think they adjust by having fights at the dinner table, which is quite symbolic, I feel,
Yeah.
of this. What do you think it led to? Like, what did all of these conflicts lead to at the end? How did that climax frame up at all?
You mean the death? You mean it led to death?
Deaths! Everyone died a little inside, I think.
Everyone died a little, but someone actually died in reality, and it was the father.
Okay, so I have written down this like,
Yeah, I think I want you to do that.
and then we should get into the climax.
Yeah.
I think. Okay. Thank you.
We have done our research.
Woo! Okay, I will tell you the beats of the climax. First is mom finds Rahul's naughty pics. Okay, with BF. Then Rahul finds dad's car at his side chick's house. Anu, you're a hoe.
Anu?
No.
Excuse me?
Anu is also a hoe.
It's Rajat Kapoor.
I 100% agree. He is also horrible.
He is not also horrible, he is horrible.
He is horrible, but so is Anu little bit.
Anu, matlab,
She be knowing.
She shouldn't have brought those special cookies for his kids.
बिस्कुट
That was
ला
a bit,
रही
हाँ.
है.
I know तुम्हारा favorite है ये राहुल.
बचपन में तो माँ नहीं कराती
हाँ. हाँ,
Please.
ठीक है अनु आंटी. Even Rahul was like, please यार, you don't have
Yeah,
to talk to her.
but
like
Rahul was defending his dad.
Yeah.
Whatever. Arjun then finds out about Tia's B-Day curse, not crush, B-Day curse.
Don't have to laugh and say it.
It's really quite sad.
It's
But it was a
very
bit
sad,
on the
yeah, and
nose.
it's too-
Oh, her parents died on
Huh.
her birthday. Oh, the boy that she's into, his dad dies on her birthday. Like, isn't that a bit too much? And then her birthday curse gets realized. Then, anyway, Arjun misses Rahul's call because, like, brother's calling. He doesn't want to talk because he clearly kissed his new GF. Rahul is like, what the fuck, dad? You literally cheated on mom. Then mom slaps Rahul. Then Rahul gets strangled by Arjun because of the book that their shared mother plagiarized. Then mom is like, what the fuck? Gotta call my toxic ex-BF. So she goes into the room and she starts calling her stupid cheating husband. And he reaches out to her one final time on his Blackberry Bold and he dies. He dead. Yeah.
The photo never happened.
The photo never freaking. I mean, technically it did, but that cutout was kind of creepy.
I just think that they should have said कि नहीं होने वाला है, हो गया अब. They tried. They really tried. Cutout नहीं लाना चाहिए
Cutout
था.
was not necessary.
I
Sorry.
really don't think that was a...
It really wasn't.
Why?
I just feel like they wanted to do a throwback, callback to the Mandakini cutout. But I just felt like it was a bit. I don't know, actually, I don't want to judge people's grief and how they express it. Maybe that helped them. Maybe it'll help me if I'm grieving.
But we're not judging a person's grief. We're judging the film.
Which is
the grief.
showing the grief.
I think it was a bit like reducing the pain, no? Like not reducing the pain, it's undermining the pain.
But who are we to say that?
People who are talking about the film,
Podcast.
yaar.
No.
नहीं, मुझे
As in, I find it difficult to judge that. Oh, you're saying it purely from like a plot perspective.
I just feel like when that came, what did it make me feel when it came on screen? It was like, अरे यार ये क्या कर रहा है? That's what it made me feel. What else could they have done? I don't know what else they could have done, but I just thought it was a little silly.
But the climax ka highlight was what for you? If not
Climax का highlight.
the father's death, which you have very strong opinions of.
I just think कि वो क्यों हुआ ऐसे क्यों हुआ उनका conflict resolution father's death है but ज़रूरत था
I don't know what else.
हमारे family problems बस एक death solve कर सकते हैं
solve तो नहीं करते हैं वो. The film का epilogue is all of them just being sad.
but they're together
Eventually, when the Dadu begs them to
they
be.
are together but
Ha, at the
they're
end,
trying-
it's a happy
yeah.
ending.
that's why the picture comes and all of that
Even Arjun's book जो वो
Yeah.
publish होने वाला था जिसके लिए उसको 30 रुपए मिलने वाले हैं, उसके लिए भी he's like, oh, how did you decide? The publisher says, how did you decide to change the ending? And at some point I remember that Rahul had given him the advice
हाँ
of,
कि happy ending करो
Happy
वैसे ही
ending.
इतने sad endings होते हैं
and then
life
he asked him what are all these happy endings. But what would have been a happy ending for you then? I don't know.
it is a happy ending
It is a happy ending.
But
Would you
what
have
would have-
preferred a non-happy ending?
no इतना एंजाइटी फील करा के इतना सैडनेस फील करा के मतलब इन द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इट आई डोंट थिंक दिस वुड हैव बीन गुड इफ इट वाजंट अ हैप्पी एंडिंग आई डोंट थिंक द डेथ ऑफ रजत कपूर वाज नीडेड आई थिंक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल मोर कुड हैव बीन रिजॉल्व्ड इन अ स्मार्टर वे आई डोंट नो
What was the intention behind that, I wonder?
पहले तो रजत कपूर के कैरेक्टर की कौन सी रिडीमिंग क्वालिटीज
हाँ नहीं
है क्या कुछ
He's a classic male misogynist husband, loser.
So if the filmmakers and people thought of him that way,
I really went for it.
yeah. But if they thought of him that way, then maybe perhaps this was the ending that they wanted, because उसकी कुछ वो अच्छा आदमी नहीं है शायद. या अच्छा बुरा पता नहीं, but he's
Like, would you be satisfied if in Animal Ranbir Kapoor's character died? Would that satisfy you? Even like he is a flawed protagonist. We are not rooting for him the whole time. I don't know if I would be satisfied even if he died in the film.
I just
So I don't know if it's for the satisfaction of it either. Do you know what I mean?
I don't know.
You tell us.
You
guys.
tell us. What do you think about the ending and the father dying? Because I am confused. I think it's a bit too much.
It's a bit jarring. And not in like a sexy way.
Yeah, but you did say that they were giving little Easter eggs of death, you know.
Throughout, There was a
Wow.
moment where Rishi Kapoor, the Dadu, he goes like, I want to be buried instead of being like following the usual tradition of being on a pyre. And then he's like, the father is, Rajat Kapoor is like, why, whatever. Like, he's like, no, you have to be, do it the correct way or whatever. And Rishi Kapoor goes like, ये तो ऐसे behave कर रहा है जैसे ये मरने वाला है.
Yeah.
It's so obvious. Then
Graveyard scene, unka
First
Tia
date.
and Arjun's first date is in a graveyard.
yeah.
Then Tia's parents have also died, and
She talks about that a lot, I feel.
yeah.
Even when she's like, the last thing that I did to my parents was fight with them. I mean,
and the last thing they did with their father also.
was fight with him. It's kind of, it aches.
Yeah.
There's one trivia I wanted to share.
Yeah.
I looked this up and it said that in Fawad Khan's moments.
Say it
Why did
again.
I say? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was saying. Forward Khan. He only moves forward. Rahul's character, when he was sitting in the room, he was reading Perks of Being a Wallflower. What does that say about why are the curtains blue?
I actually didn't catch that, or I didn't think about that.
No, even I found it as a trivia piece.
This time, yeah.
Have you read the book?
I've read the book. Have you watched the film?
Yeah. Yes. Interesting that he would read it. That means he does feel lonesome.
And misunderstood or not understood.
Yeah.
Not but it is a lot about identity.
It is a lot about identity. We asked you guys if
Your opinions and thoughts on this special film.
got some info.
One of the things that people were talking about was the LGBTQIA plus aspect of it, where someone said how it handled topic like infidelity and LGBTQ identity in very subtle and realistic way. When this film was marketed and promoted, no one knew that it was going to talk about LGBTQ. They didn't know one of the characters was gay or anything, and slowly over the period of the film, people in the audience started to realize, right? So it was handled very delicately, humanly, subtly. I don't know if that subtlety was because the audience at the time might have not accepted it as a commercial film if it was so stark.
That's true.
But maybe not. Maybe this is an Indian family can't handle it if it's so stark.
That's true.
So
Also, the representation of a gay man who's not traditionally like the way that gay men have been showed in cinema as very effeminate.
yeah.
He was an alpha man,
He was the
masculine.
like if you had to pick Rahul or Arjun alpha, I would say Rahul.
Yeah, definitely. They showed a gay man being just a regular man.
Yeah.
He didn't change his voice into something. He didn't change his hand gestures into something effeminate. He didn't do anything like that. And his coming out was also so...
What do you think of that?
I loved it. I thought it was... his mother's reaction was so sad. But it was so real also, I guess. I feel like a lot of Indian mothers would end up
They
reacting
would react
like
like that, and
She came around and he was happy about
exactly. It takes time, I feel, and maybe that time should be allowed to parents also if they are going to come around at the end. I think
that.
at least she
the
did
way
that.
she found out about it also, which added to not reacting necessarily.
Yeah, and she was not
calmly.
in the best space. She just thought something and she said it, and that's horrible to say to your child. But she's known this man for like 33 years. She's raised him. She doesn't know something about him. It also hurts.
She kept saying, "Tum jhoote ho. You're both liars."
Hmm.
That I didn't like, that she equated her husband
Yeah.
cheating on her with him being gay. And the whole like, तुमने हमारे बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचा?
इसका क्या मतलब होता है?
इसका
आपके
क्या
बारे में सोच
मतलब
रहे
है?
इसीलिए वो लंदन में रह रहा है छुप छुप के.
Exactly. हाँ, that's true.
So
आपके बारे में सोचे क्यों? उसकी उसकी लव लाइफ है भाई.
मुझे इस बात का दुख होता कि मैं जानती नहीं हूँ अपने बेटे को. But I don't think that was what she felt bad about. I don't know.
I think she was just being homophobic in
Yeah,
that
she
moment.
was being.
Also, like, she had probably imagined his entire life as like the son, the prodigal son with his wife, and the bahu that will heal her
Yeah.
and probably start her catering business. I mean, sure, her son-in-law can too. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, it was. But I like that at the end she came around.
I wish there was
More?
Maybe.
You always wish there's more. though.
हाँ.
But I think I can kind of imagine how it would go. Things would be a little. Like, there would be tension, but they would grow together.
What if the father died so that he could live his real identity? I don't think Rajat Kapoor
Would have accepted.
I don't think so. His mother's much more likely to come around to Rahul's gay identity than Rajat Kapoor.
And that's always the case, I feel. In most households, the woman is just. And not in most households. In a lot of Indian households, I have personally seen that the woman is trying to do things that would make the man happy and not do things that would make the man unhappy. So they might not accept a lot of things of their sons or daughters because the husband would not.
Correct.
But they are way more likely to accept it if the husband's not there or doesn't have an opinion.
100%. 100%.
Yeah,
Could be that reason then.
could be.
Please tell us.
Yeah, tell us what you think and tell us anonymously if you want. I don't know how. But if your mom is more accepting or your dad's more accepting.
Yeah, if you've had this experience, please share with us.
Yes. We got another comment saying the film is a masterpiece in showing how family dynamics play out. And it's such a natural family.
Very
what do you
natural.
think they did? Like why do we feel so relatable to like
I
with
think
this
they
family?
just did it very like they added a lot of small things to make it seem like that. I think they all were talking over each other in the audio itself. There was constantly the mother was yelling for Dharmender, who was a very random part of the whole thing, but there's always a Dharmendra who is getting yelled for, like he's getting called all the time. He was there in every significant scene, from the plumber to the coming out to the father dying, and he was like, Dharminder, ye kar do. Those sounds we constantly hear now make
That
us
kind of
feel like
fade in the
home.
background.
They fade, but
Yeah.
we're so used to them that we keep hearing them. Even when the cousins came.
There are these like 4 new actors that come into the scene, and usually what happens in films is that these are not the known actors. These are and they come in and it's always a difference between
Yeah.
like the main cast and the other cast. But they came and they were such a nice family, and they गिटार बजा रहे हैं, उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. फिर अर्जुन ले लेता है ना गिटार अपने छोटे कजिन
नहीं,
से.
Rahul starts
ले लेता
singing,
है.
yeah.
Rahul starts singing.
Rahul is talented also. सब चीज राहुल के पास है.
उसके पास है.
वो interactions were also very natural.
So nice.
The chachu comes and cracks some like male jokes in the
And
kitchen.
he doesn't seem like a side character.
No.
Like he seems like उसकी भी एक life चल रही
हाँ,
है.
even small details like हाँ मैं फिर उससे कॉल करके पूछता हूँ पैसे के लिए. There's always a richer brother,
Yeah.
which is seen in their sons also.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
The father also ends up asking.
अर्जुन and राहुल की भी जो father's brother है, उनमें भी कितना conflict हुआ होगा जो
हाँ.
unresolved चला गया.
Maybe the father is representative of what Arjun will become as he's older, or maybe what Arjun is afraid of becoming when he's older. As opposed
Was
to
Rajat Kapoor younger? I think he was older.
I think he was older because the Ratna Pathak Shah said तुम अपने छोटे भाई से कब तक पैसे लेते रहोगे. Yeah.
और उनके बच्चे भी छोटे थे.
उनके बच्चे भी छोटे थे. I think the lot of the conversation and the way that they get agitated also is very cool. Especially Ratna Pathak Shah when she loses her shit.
Yeah.
It's so characteristic of
Yeah.
Indian women and especially
Yeah.
mothers, because they are at their threshold and how
Yeah.
they are beyond it. All of them need to do acid. Like it's so crazy the things they go through. Obviously they'll be on the edge.
All the time pressure from like everyone, all the time.
Disgusting. I would also
And then
lose
you don't
my
even
shit.
get credit because the film is called Kapoor and Sons. You know?
when you're the
When you're
the and.
Yeah, you're the and. At least you're like sticking people together. You're the person who sticks people together.
Also the most awful role to have in the family.
Yeah.
To be the glue.
So these were our thoughts. I hope we discussed everything that you feel about the film. And if we haven't, please Write
Please
it
tell
down.
us. Please share your thoughts. Tell us more in the comments, and
We'll see
keep
you next time.
crying.
Oh, wow.
While watching the film.
Please tell
'Cause
me.
I will.
Please tell me if this is a really, really sad, depressing film for you or not. Because for me, it's not, and for Karima,
I'm fucking happy for her.
I don't think it's happy. But
It's
I
like joyous to watch this film for Ida, clearly. Like, oh yeah, people died.
But
See you
anyway,
guys.
thank you so much.
See you
Thank you
guys.
so much.
He's asking me to lower my volume.